Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will reverse the arrangement of a given string using a function in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free of this tutorial video in my two websites. Okay, so we have here, I'm using pycharm Community Edition and Zorin OS, a Linux distribution. So we have here two lines of codes, no? A function dev reverse stream word and then return word to parentheses colon -1. It will reverse the arrangement. Line number 4, we declare a variable string, input string. So the variable string will display here, and then we call the function reverse underscore string, and then the variable string, and then we uppercase here, convert to uppercase format, and then we count the number of characters in the given string with the function len. Okay, so let us run our code. Enter a string, let's say computer science. As you can see, it displays the word computer science, and then the reverse order, and then the string count will be 16 characters including the space, white space. Another example, Bacolod City. So the word Bacolod City, we have here Bacolod City, reverse in uppercase, Bacolod City, string count will be 12. Last example guys, Python programming. The word Python programming, okay, so when we it will display the word Python programming will be reverse, and then string count will be 18 characters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on reverse a string using a function in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned and entertained in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.